So for test box or average RCD and speech mapping, you're going to go to text box measures speech map. And while that loads, you're going to place the hearing aid receiver in the coupler and attach it to the test box, and then you're going to align the reference microphone of the test box to the microphone of the receiver, and then you're going to close that box. There we go. And then you're going to go to audiometry, and you're going to make sure that it is set to the fitting formula that you have in your software, that it's set to the appropriate age, set to the insert phone, and then here you're going to make sure that it's set an average, and you just make sure by clicking the little box, and you're also going to make sure that it's set on average right here, and you just make sure that it's on average, or change it by clicking that drop down arrow and then change it to average, and then you can change it to one hearing aid by clicking no, and then you hit continue, and then you would enter your thresholds from your audiogram, but we already did that previously. But if not, you would enter them here and then hit continue. And then once again, you would go to the instrument and make sure that you have the appropriate one selected. For us, we have a RIC, so you're just going to use the RIT. And then you're going to make sure that the mode is test box. And then here you would go down to select each of the tests you have to run. And here you will make sure that it's set for soft. And then you would run it, and then for test 2, since you just did soft, you would change it to average, and you would do that by clicking on the one that you would want. And then for test 3, you would change it to loud, so you would click on that by hovering over it and clicking on it. And then test 4 would be the NPO, so you would change the stimulus, and you would change it to NPO, and then you would let it run. But in this case, I'm just showing how you would do it, but you would let it run and then hit continue. But I'm gonna hit cancel. But you'd have to make sure that you change the stimulus and the level for each of these, or else it's going to be set on the same one for each one. Okay, these are what our result of test box speech mapping looks like. We also adjusted the gain and decreased the gain as well as the NPO in the software. And you can do that by just going to fine-tuning, feature settings, and then also the NPO manager on the left-hand side.